Hello hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to set up and use your custom domain email address directly within Gmail. This simple process allows you to centralize all your professional communications in one place. First, log into your personal Gmail account and click on Settings. See all the settings and head over to the Accounts and Import tab. There are two key sections here. To receive emails, go to Check Mail from Other Accounts and click on Add Mail Account. Enter your domain email and follow the steps to configure the POP3 server. Next, to send emails from Gmail using your professional identity, go to the Send Email as a section and select Add another email address. Enter your name and domain email. In the pop-up window, fill in the SMTP server details and complete the verification using the code Gmail sends to your inbox. Once these steps are finished, you will be able to manage your corporate email through Gmail seamlessly, and that's it.